loves, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Arapana, and on my channel I do fashion, lifestyle, occasional beauty, and motherhood content. So if that sounds like something you would be interested in watching, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Today I have a Bellelily and Walmart try on haul for you guys. So a huge thank you to Bellelily for sending over these pieces, and then I also picked up some pieces from Walmart that I think you guys are going to really like. So I'm really excited for this collaboration because I did get some really cute pieces that are definitely affordable. Bellelily has competitive pricing, and so I'm really excited about that. And they also have offered you guys this discount code, so this will help you save some money at checkout. And everything I show you today will be linked down below in my description box, so check those links, and I will also list next to it the size that I'm wearing. So before I get started, I want to show you like a little overview of Bellelily's website. So this is what their website looks like. So they offer free shipping worldwide for orders over $119, which is really nice. And they're an online store that offers cute holiday trendy pieces, as well as on-trend clothing, accessories, casual clothing, dressy clothing. So they have a lot of options to choose from. I really like their themed items because I think those are so cute. I loved theme things during the holiday times. So like for Christmas, they have a bunch of Christmas items for you guys. They have Valentine's Day. They even have like Hallmark movie themed items. Do you guys love the Hallmark channel as much as I do during the holiday times? I feel like they just give you the coziest, cutest, sweetest, family-friendly movies. So I love watching the Hallmark channel. They just have the best like Christmas movies, holiday movies. I love it. So I love that they have themed items for that. And before I start this video, I want to mention that their plus size clothing is sized differently than their regular standard clothing sizes. So make sure to check the chart that they have on their website so you can pick out your accurate size. Again, I will list my items down below in my sizes. So for the plus size items that I'm going to show you, I'm definitely going to write plus size next to it so you know. So yeah, just make sure to check that chart. And for reference, I am usually a size 14. I am 5 feet 4 inches, and yeah, let's jump right into this video. How pretty is this dress, you guys? I love it. I love how soft it feels. So it kind of feels like silky soft, but it's not really like silk. I don't know what type of material this is, but it feels so nice, and it looks very nice and pretty as well. I'm looking at it on the camera, and it has like a nice little sheen to it, and it does have like a slight sheen to it in person as well. So I really like this. So I do like a v-neck on a dress or a top. I think it's very flattering and pretty. It does have this string that you can tie it around and tie it into a bow to accentuate your waist. It also has a little slit on one side. I can't remember which side it is, but there is a little slit, and I like the way it's placed. I feel like this dress is an all occasion dress that you can wear anywhere. It's very pretty, very flowy, and I love the fit of this. Next up, we have this simple cute tee, and I really like this one because of all the neutral colored hearts. So it goes from light brown to dark brown, and I really liked it. I thought it was so cute. Simple but cute and effortless, something you can pair with jeans or shorts. Very cute. The material on this is really soft and nice. The back of it is plain. So far I'm really liking these pieces. So I did size up in this to a 2XL because I do like a looser fitting tee. So I really like this one. I like the simplicity of it. I love the colors of it. Very cute. This background color, so I got white, but it does come in other colors as well if you do not want a white background. I think it comes in black and gray, maybe pink, but go ahead and check those links just to be sure. Just a casual, cute, comfy tee. So far I'm really liking the pricing, and so far I am liking the clothing items. I think they are cute. So next up we have this dress. This one is my favorite just because it says mom life on it. I think it is so cute. So this is definitely a t-shirt material, and the sleeves are cuffed here. They're stitched that way so they can't be undone. When I saw they had mommy items on their website, I was already sold because I love mommy themed clothing items. I think they're really cute and just fun to wear. So this is what it looks like. This part here is cinched. It does have this little string here, but it doesn't work. It's faux. This part is stretchy. So the only thing is I wish I had sized up one size in this one. It does fit me. I am a true size 14, but I like a looser fitting dress, especially one that's a little bit shorter. I like it to be a little bit looser. So if you want something that's a little bit looser on your body, size up in this. And if you want something to fit you exact, then get your exact size. So next up we have this dress that definitely looks a little bit more dressy and a little bit more different. Completely different than something I would usually wear. This dress looked so good on the model that I just had to try it out. I think it looks so cute on as well. It's definitely a more dressy dress, and it's midi length, so I love the length of it. It does have like a zipper in the back here, and it does have like a higher neckline. So I thought this would be like a fun going out dress or something like that. Very cute, very, very stretchy. This one I would recommend getting your usual size as well because it is stretchy. It does have like a little bit of ruching here. So I really do like this dress. It's fun, it's cute, and it's definitely different. So these are a slide sandal style, and these are really lightweight, so they do look a little bit like thick and heavy and a little bit chunky, but they are absolutely lightweight. So I really like them for that reason, because they are lightweight. I hate when my shoes are like heavy on my feet, so I like these. They're super comfortable, they're easy to get on and off of your foot. So they do have other styles to choose from. This is just the one I went with. As you can see here, it has a little bit of shimmer to it. So I do like the bottoms of these because they do have some grip to them, and they do have like a little bit of a heel, so it's not going to hurt your foot. So thank you, Bellelily, for sending over these really cute pieces. Guys, don't forget to check down below in the description box for the links to everything, sizes, and use that discount code to save some money. And now let's move on to the Walmart portion. So everything I picked up for this haul was bought in store, and let's start off with this really cute top. I went with this pattern. So this one has cherries on it. They had other patterns. They had like a white one, believe a pink one as well, with different patterns on it. So this is by No Boundaries, and this was only $5.96. Super duper affordable. This top is definitely on the more shorter side, cropped side, but it is so cute and would look so nice with anything high-waisted. You could wear this with some high-waisted jeans or high-waisted shorts, or even some like flowy pants or something like that. I think this would go really well with it. This is what the back of it looks like. This part here is really, really stretchy. So usually for the No Boundaries brand, I do size up because they are a juniors brand, but I find that this extra large fits perfectly fine, and it's mostly because this part is stretchy, so you can stick to your usual size for this top. So next up is this really simple top that does come in other colors as well. Let me bring it a little bit closer so you can see the texture of it. So that's what the texture looks like. Again, very stretchy. This is more of a crisscross back detail, so that's what it looks like. So this one I picked up in an XXL, and I wish I had stuck to the usual extra large like I did for that other top, because it is a little bit big. So I would suggest sticking to your usual size, even though this is a juniors brand again. And this one was $5.96, so super duper affordable. I may have to go get it in other colors because this is a really nice basic top that you can pretty much wear by itself all summer long, and when it starts getting a little bit cooler, it's just a really nice layering piece under cardigans and jackets, coats, sweaters, dusters. So I really do like this one, and you cannot beat that price. No Boundaries has been killing it this summer. I have found so many cute pieces from this brand so far. So this dress is right under $11. I don't think you can beat that price, and I like the length on this one. So normally I go for midi length dresses or knee length dresses, but this one is above the knee, but I do feel like it is an appropriate length. I don't feel like it's too short. I don't feel uncomfortable in it. I don't feel like if I bend down everything is gonna show. So I really like this one. The material is very soft. It is stretchy, by the way. So this dress does have some padding already in the bust area, so you can wear it with a bra or you don't have to. It's really up to you. And the straps are adjustable, and this part here is stretchy as well. I just thought it was a really cute, simple dress that you could wear pretty much anywhere. It's very casual, but you can definitely dress it up with your shoes and your jewelry, makeup, hair, all that good stuff. But if you just want a simple, casual, lightweight to medium dress, I think this would be perfect. It is also tiered, by the way. I know it's kind of hard to see because of the color, but it does have like little tiers, and it does flow out really nicely. So it also has this little bow detail here as well, so just a really overall cute dress. So next up we have this army green tee that does come in other colors as well. So this one is really simple, really casual, but it looks a little bit different and a little bit more dressy because of these fluttered sleeves, the really pretty v-neck, And I really like that it has this little slit here at the side, so it makes it look a little bit more seamless if you are tucking it into your jeans. That's something I always like doing, so I really like this one just because it's just simple but pretty at the same time. The back of it is plain and the material is super soft. This is by Time and True, and this is right under $10. I mean, you can't go wrong with a basic piece like this in your wardrobe. Next up, I found these really cute, lightweight, soft pajama shorts. These are by Secret Treasures. You guys know I love Secret Treasures, and this was only $5, and I really like the pattern on it. So it has like the moon, the sun, clouds, stars, just really cute, lightweight. This string here does work. Sorry, that's the bus. So now that it's summertime, it is so much more difficult to film a video. There's always so much noise outside, so that's the bus leaving now. Oh my gosh, it's so noisy. But yeah, back to these pajama shorts. They're pretty simple, pretty plain. These do come in other colors, patterns as well. So if you're looking for a comfy, inexpensive pair of pajama bottoms, I highly recommend these. I think I'm gonna go back and get some more because I really like sleeping in these and just lounging in them because it's getting hot, and these are really comfortable. And they do have like this little slit here at the side, so really cute, and they fit true to size. So next up, I found these flowy pants right under $17. I did pick this up in an extra large, and as you can see, the legs are very wide, so this is definitely something you can get in your true size or size down if you don't want it to be as flowy. But I find that the extra large fits fine and I'm comfortable in it. So these pants do have pockets, which is always a plus, and this material is definitely medium weight, so it's definitely not something light, so you don't have to worry about anything showing through in the back, because these type of pants, flowy pants, sometimes can be scary to wear because you just never know. But I really like these pair. This part here is stretchy. The quality feels really nice for the price. So they had a striped one as well. I really wanted that one, but they didn't have it in my size, so I ended up going with this blue, and I feel like that white top that I showed you would look really nice with this. Just a simple casual outfit with some sandals. And speaking of sandals, I found these. These are in a size 8. They fit true to size, and they come in other colors as well. They have a lighter nude color, they have a black one. I don't think they have white. I don't remember seeing the white one, but I picked up the darker nude color because I feel like this looks better on my skin tone. Super comfortable. These are definitely like a dupe for the Tiki flip-flops that I did purchase, and I ended up returning because I needed a different size, but they never had the size in stock, and I ended up purchasing a pair from Kohl's by Lauren Conrad, which I do recommend. I will link those down below as well. Those are more affordable than the Tiki ones, and these are more affordable than the Lauren Conrad ones. So if you've been seeing these type of sandals everywhere, they're pretty much trending right now, and they're really cute. And this one was $6.98. So this is the best price point I've seen it at. So if you want a pair like this, or if you just want a regular pair of black flip-flops, then get the black ones because they're gonna go with everything, as well as these. So next up, we have a pair of jeans. So these are signature Levi Strauss jeans. These are definitely more of a jegging style, and as you can see, they are very stretchy. Waist is 32, ultra high rise, straight cropped, so very cute. I find these jeans to be very flattering. I really like the fit of these jeans. I think they are super comfortable and hug you in all the right places, and as you can see, they do have some distressings on the knee, and that is what the bottoms look like. So I like that they're a straight cropped jean. They're super cute. Again, this would go perfect with any top that I've shown you so far, and those flip-flops. Just a very like casual summer look if you're just running out the door to run errands, if you're like headed out to a barbecue, you want to be comfortable and you don't want like tight jeans. These are perfect because again, they are stretchy and they do have belt hoops, and I think the price is just perfect for these jeans. I feel like these look like they cost a lot more than they do, so I definitely recommend these. I like the color of these jeans as well. I feel like this type of color looks great all year round. It kind of just blends in with all of the seasons, and the material on this is like a medium thick material. I'm obsessed with these. So I debated if I should show you guys these two items because they did not fit me, but I guess I will just show them to you. Actually, these two items would look so cute paired together, but I'm just going to show them to you this way. So these are a mid-rise cropped jean from Time and True. I did get this in my usual size 14, but it was a little bit too small in the stomach area, so I would definitely have to size up to a size 16 for these because I do feel like they run a little bit small. Then this top from Free Assembly I picked up in a size large, and I am a 38D, and the bust area here was just, it was too tight. It was like squishing my chest down and I didn't like the look of it. So this part here is stretchy, and I thought that would help me out because it was stretchy and it wouldn't really affect the front area, but it wasn't, it didn't do anything for me. It just squished my chest down, so I didn't like the look of this. I think if I got it in an extra large I would love it because this part here is nice and flowy, and just for days you don't want anything like tight on your body, and the sleeve goes down to your elbow. So I really do like this top. I may just pick it up in an extra large and try it on and see how well I like it that way. It does come in other colors. It comes in a white color, and I believe it comes in black as well, and they do have like a spaghetti strap version. Maybe I'll get that one instead, but I will also link that one down below for you guys if you're interested. So if you've made it to the end of this video, a huge thank you to you for sticking around all the way through. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You can also turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a new video. I try to upload at least 2 videos a week. Don't forget, everything I showed you is linked down below in my description box. Everything from Bellelily and Walmart, and I will also link my watch and bracelet if you're interested, my necklace. These earrings are from an Instagram account, so I will link their account down below. And stay safe, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.